Hello, this is Umesh Pal from Globalist Systems, Kolkata. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about job prospects after learning web designing using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. We expect that the details provided to you by us will be helpful to take positive and challenging decisions in your academic and professional domains. Today, the world is dominated by web. Every business is now conducted globally using the web. In this digital world, the online presence on the web is very important for every organization to advertise, promote, and sell their products and services to worldwide users. What is web designing? Web designing is a kind of graphic design done for developing and giving birth to a website. The process encompasses several aspects that include graphic design, web page layout, and content productions. A website designer or developer uses images, text, HTML5, responsive web design, CSS3, information architecture, fonts, colors, and many other interactive elements to invent a website. A markup language, mostly HTML, is used by web designers for creating structure and CSS for presentations, which means the art of presentations. Web designing or web development is a short-term professional job-oriented course. There are the huge opportunities available for their students who want to work in this field. Many private and public organizations hire web designers for their online work and website development. With the rapid advent of online industry, the demand of web development professionals is increasing, and this has created a huge job opportunities for the aspirants in the upcoming days. Why is web designing a good career path? Currently, the IT industry is overflowing with opportunities for web designing in India as well as abroad. Using your vivid, creative imaginations and never-ending demand for websites are the reasons to obtain web designing as a career path. Website designing is very suitable for students who have a good sense and knowledge of designing and creativity. Significance of learning web designing course. If you want to become an expert web designer, it is advised to learn web designing courses. The good thing about the course is that it is entirely based on both practical and theoretical sessions. It includes introduction to latest web technologies, HTML, CSS2, HTML5 and CSS3, responsive web designs, JavaScript, Adobe Flash, web hostings, resources and materials for learning website designing, etc. Advantage of opting for web designing included: you can learn about website designing within the short time duration, better web designing knowledge, you can handle freelancing projects, start your own business, earn more money within a short time period, never ending projects, using your creativity to the fullest, work from home facility, high demand. After completing your web designing process, you can work in a web designing company or you can work as a freelancer. There are thousands of companies that hire web development for their front and back end developer. Also, you can work independently as a web designer and set up your own enterprise. The major career fields in this field include front-end developer and back-end developer. The front-end developer generally works at a client side dealing as a web designing graphics accessible to the user. A back-end developer is a person who is responsible for the back-end developer interacts with the server like PHP, Ruby, ASP.NET, Java, Perl, etc. You can also work in education industry. The job profiles for the web developer includes front-end, back-end developer, web applications developer, senior web analyst, web marketing analysis. Job areas includes IT companies, advertise agencies, publishing houses, marketing firms, institutions, design studio, etc. What is web designer's salary? A web designer ranks amongst the top highest paid jobs in IT industry, which is the main reason behind its popularity and demand. The salary of a web designer usually varies company to company. A fresher in this field may be offered with the starting from 10,000 to 25,000, which can easily be increased to 40,000 to 60,000 a month after a few years of experience. Some highly qualified and experienced and talented web designers earn 6 digits salary a month of website designing. So now we come to end of our sessions. We hope that you enjoyed the sessions. More informative sessions are coming up soon. If you have liked the sessions, we would appreciate if you like and subscribe us. Thank you.